Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I get ready on the go, and this video is made in partnership with Rimmel London. I am always getting ready at the last second, and I feel like I'm always getting ready on my way to wherever I'm going. Here I'm starting out with a fresh face, and I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Lasting Finish Breathable Primer. I apply that in dots all over my face and rub it in so that I have a nice base to start out with. Next, I'm using Rimmel's new Lasting Finish Breathable Foundation, and it's a lightweight formula with a doe foot applicator, and it has light to medium coverage, which is perfect for me, because you guys know I really don't like to cover my freckles. It also has breathable skin technology that moisturizes for up to 25 hours, and you can choose from 16 shades. After foundation, I'm using the Lasting Finish Breathable Concealer in the shade Light Ivory, and I'm just dotting that underneath my eyes and then blending it out. Next, I'm going to be using the Insta-Duo Contour Stick in the shade Light/Clair, and I'm just going to emphasize my cheekbones and do a little bit of contouring on my forehead. Then I'm going to be using their eyeshadow in Gilded Moon, and I'm placing that on the inner corners of my eyes just to give a brightening effect. To finish off the eyes, I'm using the Volume Flash Scandalized Mascara. Now I'm taking that same Insta-Duo contour stick and I'm using the lighter shade as my highlight, and I'm placing that on my cheekbones and blending that out. To finish off the look, I'm using the Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in Be My Baby, and I'm using that all over my lips just for a nice nude shade. And once I've applied the lip color, my look is complete and I'm all ready to go. Make sure you guys check out the description box if you're interested in any of these products. I will have everything listed below. I hope that you guys found this video helpful. I know that I'm always getting ready on the go, and maybe you are too, and I've found that this routine works really, really well for me. So I hope that you guys like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!